welcome to the April 2020 Quirky Crate unboxing. It's been a while. The last time CW and I saw you was...
like last year.
Yeah, I think it was...
October.
For Quirky Crate, it was probably October. Can you scooch just a tiny bit?
Oh, it was November.
I'm going to scooch that way a little bit. The reason is because I realized we put the... a little bit more. I realized... when setting up, because I haven't done this in a long time, and I changed the configuration. I have this huge ring light and another light and another light, and so I had to change it up, and so what I'm used to like using and fixing is different. So I hope all of you are well. We are all stuck at home. Every single person, it feels like, except unless you're an essential employee that needs to leave the house. So I know a lot of you are going to YouTube looking for things to watch because you're probably like, I have so much free time. Anyway, so if you happened upon our Quirky Crate unboxing, because of that, welcome. And what should they do if they're interested?
Edward Scissorhands.
No, what should they do if they're interested?
Subscribe.
Subscribe down below.
Watch Edward Scissorhands also.
So my daughter's now obsessed with Edward Scissorhands. If you'd like to know how much she is, you can go to my CosBox Spring 2020 unboxing, and you will see her fan art of Edward Scissorhands in that moment where she goes, "Hold me," and he goes, "I can't."
that's not the part.
I thought that was the part.
It's way after. Okay.
Okay,
it's
well.
right after he runs away. No,
All right.
He does not run.
Well, they want to see the Quirky Crate unboxing, so we can, if you want, we can have just a whole video dedicated to Edward Scissorhands fan art. Okay. But for now, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Quirky Crate unboxing. We've been doing Quirky Crate unboxings for about a year now. She loves it. I love it. It's because it's kind of a cool little box that if you both like colorful, fun things, or if you yourself just like fun things that are a little young, a little bit playful, unique, it might be up your alley. If you take things a little bit more seriously and you tend to wear like not bright colors from head to toe, it may not be your box, but I don't know, it sort of is who you are. So
I don't
it's
wear colors from head to toe. I'm wearing ramen.
Yes, but so we share it because half of the items are a little too young for me and about half the items are perfect for me. So we generally have about a half and half split, but I never open this box until I'm sitting with her. This is the only one I'm ever completely surprised by. I will go on to Stitch Fix and see exactly what I'm getting in my box. I will go and read all the spoilers for all the brands that give out spoilers, but not for Quirky Crate. I wait till we do it together. So, without, I know, go ahead and talk. Okay, so together, shall we?
No, I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, they don't have the yes girl thing anymore. They now have,
like
what does it say?
Official member Quirky Club.
Okay, so you open it up and there's that.
I've grown up so much. I was like 9 when I did my first.
No, you weren't 9. It was only a year ago. It's like 10, maybe 10. I don't know. I don't even know if I'll have to check. I'll let
We
you know.
started in September 2018. I think.
Oh, you may have just been, yeah. You may just have been almost turning 11.
I mean 10.
10.
I
Oh,
turned
yeah.
10.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You're only in 6th grade. Sorry, guys. Should know my daughter's age better than that. Okay, go ahead. Open it up.
I love ripping this. Okay, never mind. I can't. Look at these now.
Okay.
Natalie, Michelle.
So apparently this is box 35. I didn't realize we were up to box 35. So this is what they send you. This is where they put the information about the items that you're receiving. She never likes to look at them, but I'll go ahead and put them up for you. This month's artist is someone named Natalie Michelle Watson.
That looks like Cuphead.
And she's they always have an artist that they like have an item from in the box. She's from Australia. Australia. And she says drawing, she really enjoys drawing, and don't know. It looks like she does more of these. She says she's really in like, it seems a 50s design. So the items that she has designed do kind of evoke that time period. I guess she worked originally at a, oh, it says 1950s flashback, so that makes sense. She worked at a 50s themed diner, sort of like what you would see
in Cuphead.
You see a lot of different places. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Pull it out. That's so pretty.
It's stuck. Oh.
Okay, so what she's pulling out is the polka dot headband. It retails for $12.
Oh, this is
so super
50s.
cute. Super cute. You look really cute. Can I try it on? Okay, let's see.
Your hair is much better for it right now.
Well, right, because you don't have. I don't have one of these, and so you have to tell me. Should I wear it to this side or that side? This side.
Yeah.
Should I wear it with my bangs showing? Pull it back or
Pull it back because I think that's a
Okay.
lower end of the
like that?
Yeah, oh my gosh, you look like a 50s person.
Does it look good? Do y'all like it? I mean, I love headbands, and this one's not especially tight. I tend towards migraines, and I can't wear tighter headbands, but this one actually feels pretty lightweight. This is cool. I'll keep it on for a minute. Okay. All right, next one.
What is this?
Oh, it's an enamel pin. It says Rockabilly Sparrow enamel pin. And for them to see it, we have to kind of hide our faces. So I'm going to do like that. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's super pretty. The colors are gorgeous. It's a teal sparrow with little flowers and a darker red. Very nice. So what are you thinking? Who's going to get the headband? Or are we going to share it?
I want to have it.
You can't share it? Even though it looks cute, apparently, on me?
Yeah.
Maybe we can share it?
Maybe.
Do you want the enamel pin?
Yeah, because I have a collection.
So she's going to keep it. All right, here comes Angus up the stairs. Angus, you should say hi. Hi. Okay. Pull out the next item.
What the heck are
Those are called Pearl Vintage Hair Clips. But they're kind of interesting looking. Well, I think, though, they can still see your face. So, so you have to get a little bit closer. So, because I've got the longer arms, I'll do it.
I have baby.
All right. I think these are very pretty. Well, now since you're wearing a purple, like, thing, scrunchie in your hair, not 50s, by the way, but scrunchie is not 50s.
It's so 90s. I look so 90s right now.
Okay. Which one do you want to wear? The square one or this one? That one? Okay.
I don't like square.
I like these. I love these types of pins. I wear them all the time. Like I'll just kind of scooch it back like that. Should I take out the Should I take out the headband and now put this one in? No. No, keep the headband in? Okay. All right.
Look at Minnie Mouse. Well, if Minnie Mouse's bow was her ear color.
Okay. Next one. What is next?
Ooh,
Pearl cherry necklace, $15. Yeah, we'll pull it out when we pull it out of the bag. Now, I think I could probably show it off because the cherries match my outfit. See, look. It's actually perfect for my outfit.
Your dress matches my skateboard.
Does it?
Yes.
Okay.
It matches exactly.
So this is actually super pretty. And there's the cherry detail at the bottom.
Can I keep this?
Yeah, of course.
Yay. I'm going to keep it in my...
So are we sharing the barrettes? You'll get the one that looks like that and I'll do the square one?
Yeah. I don't like square barrettes.
Seems very specific thing not to like. Why don't you like square barrettes?
I like these ones.
Like the more traditional looking. Well, it's a little short to wear with this dress. What do you think?
Nice.
Nice? Okay. All right, so what's next?
Oh, they're little Dalmatians.
I'm actually, you know what, normally I keep the socks because I'm the one who can fit the socks, but she, like, is more into dogs than I am.
These are so cute.
They're
Look
really
at those
cute.
little Dalmatians.
Really cute. So you want to keep these? Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, that was upside down here. Sorry. The socks, $8.
I'm not sure if that's the last thing or not. It's not.
No, it looks like we got it.
Ooh, I can put those on my... Never mind.
This is the milkshake crossbody bag, and this is $35. They always have one of these like slightly unusual bags in it. They're usually very themed. They're unique and different. To put it mildly, they're very unique, very different. But this is definitely very 1950s. It always comes with some sort of strap, and CW has a huge collection of them. I don't usually keep these. I think I've kept 2.
I should do like
I usually
a collection.
I usually do like, we should actually show them all off because we have so much extra time to do these
also,
videos now.
By the way, follow my YouTube channel. It's
Wait,
CW.
you have a...
Yes, it's called CW Scissorhands.
Wait, did you just start a YouTube channel?
No.
Wait, was it always called CW Scissorhands?
No.
She started a new one?
No, I didn't. I didn't start a new one. Well, Rex had one. That's where I started kind of doing it.
Rex is her brother.
And
so
then,
here's the chain that goes with it.
But I started in like the beginning of 6th grade.
All right, well,
It's not always been called CW.
I will find it and I'll put like over here or above your head.
Or description.
Right. Well, I'll put it in the description as well, but I'll put it right above your head too, like the name of it. Okay. But yeah, maybe we can do a bag haul because she's got like a lot of them from the Quirky Crates.
I can do one on my YouTube channel like tonight.
She could actually. That would be fine, and then I could just link to it.
Yeah.
Rather than doing it on my channel. That's completely fine with me. So if she does do the Quirky Crate bag, the haul thing where she shows them all off, I'll go ahead and link to it in my description. Okay, so this is the milkshake bag. And again, I don't keep these typically. If it's like a gym bag or something a little bit more practical, then I'll keep it. But I'm not even a purse person, really. I
don't use purses.
I have crossbodies that I use when I travel. She just likes to collect them. But don't you put stuff in them? Yeah. Okay, so this is the last item.
I'm gonna put all of these on my skateboard.
This is her, the Natalie Michelle Watson. This is her item.
Look how cute
it's the sticker sheet. This retails for $6. So it has those kind of 50s themed items on it.
Can I put some on my skateboard?
I don't care what you do with
I have
them.
a bunch of stickers on my skateboard.
So,
and they're all from Quirky Crate.
I guess, CW, you are getting most of the items in this Quirky Crate.
Yeah.
And I am going to take home 2 hair items, but I'm sharing one of them, and a pearl necklace. Yay. Excellent. Okay, well, that's it for our Quirky Crate unboxing. That was actually a really super fast one. Normally, we're not that fast. Maybe we're getting better at this. I don't know. All right, well, we will see you back here in May 2020 for the Quirky Crate unboxing in May because I have no excuse not to do YouTube right now because I'm not doing anything else. I mean, I am doing other things, but...
She looks like this YouTuber. Her name is Natalie's Outlet.
That might be her, sweetie. Her name is Natalie.
She doesn't live in
But she looks like, okay.
She lives in like New Mexico, I think so.
Well, then it's not the same lady apparently. But apparently Natalie from Australia looks like Natalie from New Mexico. All right. Thank you, and remember to subscribe if you're enjoying this content.
And
all right.
Watch Edward Scissorhands.
Okay. All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.